This video is sponsored by jlcpcb.com. It offers 5 PCBs for $2. Click on quote now and upload your Gerber files. It will automatically check the size as well as the layers of your board. It will offer you with different features and options like PCB quantity, PCB thickness, PCB color, surface finish like HSL with lead free HSL and gold plated. It will also give you option to choose from the copper weight, gold fingers, paneling, fly probe test. JLC PCB also offers SMD assembly and stencil features. Click on Save to Cart to proceed to the next page. Here you can again check your options which you have selected finally and click on Checkout securely. This page will show you the shipping information, shipping method which you can choose from. Finally, you need to click on Continue after checking the shipping method you want. Then submit the order with either pay directly or review. Payment can be done accordingly and the products will be shipped to you as per your shipping method selected. Hello friends, so now this is another video. As you can see, this is the home automation built-in app in the iPhone which we have opened, and in this, due to the NodeRED configuration done, now we have 5 lights corresponding to our 5 relays. From here we can control these relays by a click of button which will also show the change in category. So as you can see, now we are clicking the buttons and the lights are going off on as per our command issue. Same thing, if we want, can be done using a web browser app if we do not have an iPhone. So I have gone to the NodeRED dashboard graphical interface, and here as you can see, again we have light 1, 2, 3, 4 mentioned, and there would be another light 5 below, and these have on off buttons for us to toggle them. With NodeRED and MQTT, we also have ability to control the lights with Siri commands on iPhone. I don't have an Android phone, so I am not able to check it. Switch off all the lights. I hope you have liked the video. The schematics and codes are available on my Instructable. I hope you will visit it.